What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brandon back on Motor Nubs, and today we're going to be doing some little backyard painting. So I have, let me flip this. I have bought a Ford minivan just to do some work out of. I end up keeping like my tools and stuff in the back, but that's a whole nother video. But anyway, the van's pretty decent all the way around. It's missing a piece of molding right there, but the worst part of the whole entire van is it's got some paint coming off on the hood, and pretty much the clear coat's gone on the hood. So I bought myself some good old Rustoleum high gloss paint. I'm gonna hit up the hood with this 240. This is probably not what I should be using. People recommended starting off with like 200 and finishing with like 600 and then hitting it up. Well, I don't have any 600, so I'm gonna hit it with the 240, and then just we're gonna shoot some paint. Literally anything has got to look better than this, because this stuff's just peeling off pretty much day by day. So this is gonna be my first try at not making a good impression with paint. So yeah, let me show you the paint we're working with, and just enjoy this comedy here. Alright, so I got a couple cans of the Rustoleum 2X. This is the high gloss ultra cover. It's got the paint and primer mixed in with it. Apparently for people painting cars, that is one of the favorite cheap brands of paint. These are like $4 a can. I got 2 of them. I figured that'd be plenty to do this hood. I'm gonna go ahead and tape this off here in a second. And just to let you guys know, my expectations are super low right now. So if I literally do any kind of good here, I'll be happy. So yeah, let's get it. All right, guys, so I got her masked up, sanded her down a little bit. It's got a little bit of a kind of like, I don't know, you can't really feel it honestly, but I can see it. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but there's like, you know, little scratches all over. Hopefully that makes the paint actually grab better. I wiped everything down. I just let it dry, so it should be in theory clean, and now it's time to start throwing some paint on there. I don't have anywhere to set my phone up to actually watch this. I guess I'll just show you guys after I'm done, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I got my second coat of paint down. I can already tell there's some spots that I'm not happy with, and it's where I did not sand enough. I need to go get me a like a little powered sander, and I may do that next time around. But yeah, if you look like right there, I didn't get that enough. That's gonna be a problem. There was another spot too. Right there, yeah. Anyway, but I mean, it does look better so far than the paint looked before, because it was missing like a huge chunk of paint up here. I got that covered pretty good with those 2 coats. I got a little bit more paint left, so if I need to put a 3rd coat on, I'm gonna let this dry and see what it ends up looking like. I'm trying to catch it in the light. It's got a little bit of zebra stripe going on, but I think that's just because it's drying, because I tried to alternate so that way I wouldn't have any unmissed spots or whatever. So yeah, so far I am happy with it. There she is. So I'm gonna get a clip out here maybe in 20 minutes once it's dry, see what it looks like. All right guys, so it's been a few hours. I went inside, took a nap, came back out, but yeah, check her out. She's She's looking really good. If I get up on it, it's you can really see that, I mean, it's got a pretty good finish to it. Obviously there's spots where I didn't prep it good enough, like right here, right there. I didn't get that sanded down well, but yeah, so if I can get some good pads and actually go over this with like a power sander, or, you know, honestly, I'll probably leave this how it is, but I'm interested in doing the Jeep next. So if I could get that sanded down and prepped really good, then I'd be happy with this kind of paint, if I could just keep it consistent like that. Yeah, so heck yeah. All right guys, I'll see y'all on the next one. Adios.